In this video, we'll see about the events in JavaScript. The events are actually associated with HTML, and those are actions that happen to HTML elements. When JavaScript is used in HTML pages, JavaScript can react on these events. HTML event can be something the browser does or something a user does. So, events are actions that are detected by a programming language when the user performs a particular task. An event commonly occurs when a user clicks a mouse button, when a web page is loaded, or when a form field is changed. When an event is triggered, it calls a function called event handler. In this event handler, operation or task will be executed. That is, this operation or task is written as a code and which will be executed. And that is what is called a event handler. The events are categorized as form events, keyboard events, mouse events, media element events, and browser events. These are some of the categories of the events. First, about the form events. On submit, it occurs when a form is submitted. Second is on select, occurs after the user selects some text, that is either in input type equal to text field or in text area field. If the user selects a particular portion of the text, or if the user selects the whole portion of the text, then this event is triggered. Next one is on input. This occurs when an element gets user input. That is when the user inputs some value into the text field. That is the text field corresponding to input type equal to text. Then this event is triggered. And the next one is on invalid. This occurs when an element is invalid. Invalid here means if you give in the input type equal to text the attribute record, which means the user has to input some value into the box, and that will be considered invalid if the user doesn't enter any value in the text box. And the next event is on focus. This occurs when an element or form gets focused, that is when the element has the cursor in it. It means the cursor, if the cursor is positioned in the element, then it means it has the focus. And next is on change. It occurs when the content of a form element, the selection, which is using select element, and the checked state have changed. If any of these changes, on change event occurs. And next one is on blur. It occurs when an element or form loses focus. Okay, it is the just opposite of on focus. When the form loses focus, this is triggered. These are some of the events that are associated with forms. Next category is keyboard events. The first one is on key down. It occurs when the user is pressing a key. When the key is pressed down, as soon as you press it down, this event occurs. On key up is when the user releases the key, the event occurs. And third one is on key presses, occurs when the user presses a key. That is, if you completely press a key, then in that case, as you begin pressing the key, on key down occurs, and then as you completely press the key, on key press happens, and then after you release the key, on key up occurs. So while pressing a key, first on key down occurs, then followed by it is on key press, and then when you take the finger from the key, then on key up occurs. Next is about the mouse events. The first one is on click. This occurs when the user clicks on an element. When the mouse button, left button is clicked on an element, this event occurs. Second is on double click. It occurs when the user double clicks on an element. When the mouse button is clicked twice, this event occurs. On mouse down, it occurs when the user presses a mouse down. That is before that is the it is pressed down on the mouse button. It is not released. Still your finger is in the pressed position on the mouse button. Next is on mouse up. It occurs when a user releases a mouse button over an element. On mouse move occurs when the pointer is moving while it is over an element. You move the mouse over the element and the pointer keeps on moving. In that case, it triggers the on mouse move event. Next is on mouse over. This occurs when the pointer is moved onto an element or onto one of its children. That is, mouse pointer is over the element, then this event occurs. On mouse out, when the mouse pointer moves out of an element. It occurs when a user moves the mouse pointer out of an element or out of one of its children. And the next is on mouse enter. This occurs when the pointer is moved, just enters into an element. On mouse leave, when the pointer is moved out of an element, it is on mouse leave event. Next mouse event is on scroll. This occurs when an element scroll bar is being scrolled using the mouse. On drop, this occurs when the dragged element is dropped onto the target. That is, when you drag an image, this drag and drop it, this event occurs. On drag also is similar to that. This occurs when an element is being dragged. That is, you drag an image, then this event occurs. On drag enter occurs when the dragged element enters the target. And drag leave occurs when the dragged element leaves the drop target. And the next one is on drag over. This occurs when the dragged element is over the target. If it is over the target position, then in that case this event occurs. On drag status, as soon as you begin dragging, then this event occurs when the user starts to drag an element. On drag end occurs when the user has finished dragging an element. So these are some of the mouse events. Next is about the media element events. That is, events that are associated with media element. It can be audio or video. The first event is on load start. This occurs when the browser starts looking for the specified media or while loading a media. On play occurs when the media has been started or is no longer paused. That is in play state. Third case is on pause. This occurs when the media is paused either by the user or programmatically. That is, using code, if you pause also, this event occurs. The next event is on progress. This occurs when the browser is in the process of getting the media data. That is, while downloading the media, this event occurs. Next one is on volume change. It occurs when the volume of the media has changed. That is when you change the set the volume to high or low. This event occurs. It also includes the setting the volume to mute also. And the next one is on abort. This occurs when the loading of a media is aborted. These are some of the events of media element. Browser events. Browser events has some of the events similar to that of form, on blur, on load and on focus. These are same as that of form events. And the next one is on error. It occurs when an error occurs while loading an external file. On resize, it occurs when the document view is resized. When you resize a document, this event occurs. On unload occurs once a page has been unloaded. On after print occurs when a page has started printing or if the print dialog box has been closed. The next is on before print. This occurs when a page is about to be printed. These are some of the browser events. That's all about the events. Thank you.